Hi there, this is Miss Ayu, and today we will have a great topic to discuss in our meeting in English 1 class. I'm super excited to have you all in our class and spending your time to improve your English with me. Before we start, I want you to get relaxed and enjoy watching our lesson today. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about tips that you can apply in expressing your idea, especially when you want to describe something. So, get ready for it. Well, describing is a common thing to do when you are doing speaking and writing. Describing is one way to use when you want to express the idea you have. What should be described? Many things. As you have read in the learning material in our class, we have 5 types of descriptive text. They are describing people, describing animal, describing thing, describing places, and describing scene. I'm not going to talk about each type because it is already being explained in the learning material. What I'm going to explain with you today is about some simple tips which can you use when you want to describe something which can help you to write and speak fluently. The first is be specific. In this tip, be specific means that you have to be specific to the object that you want to describe. Say for example, you want to describe an animal. You have to be specific in what animal you want to describe. Do not describe the animal in general, like dog, cat, horse, chicken, etc. You have to be specific, like my lovely dog, Blackie, or my best pet, Kitty, etc. The second tip is be detailed. In these tips, detail means like telling something in particular. Say for example, someone asks you to describe about your mother. If you give description like she has 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 2 ears, someone will not have clear image of your mother because every person in this world have 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 2 ears. You have to give detailed description like she has clear black eyes, her nose is flat but proportional to her face, and she has small ears with a gold earrings. By doing this, you will help other people to have clear image of your mother or other things. The third tip is be simple. In these tips, you may use simple words in describing or expressing your idea. Do not use any complicated words. Do not many people understand the words. If you use complicated words, then you can confuse the people who read it. For example, you use some figurative language like, my friend is very tall as a giraffe. If you use that sentence to describe someone, the people who hear or read it will imagine a tall giraffe as your friend. This also will lead to a misconception. You can describe your friend as, my friend is very tall, about 180 centimeters. By describing like that, the people will know how tall he is without imagining something complicated. The last tip is be confident. It is the most important thing in describing and expressing your idea, is that you have your own opinion about something and you describe something based on what you see. So please be confident in it. Whether you are wrong or not, it does not matter. Others may describe differently. It is okay. You have your own too. Well, you can apply these tips when you want to express your idea in the form of describing. If you have other ways in expressing your idea, you can share in our class. I hope that these tips can help you to express your idea in English fluently. Make sure that you apply these tips in practicing your English. See you in the next lesson.